Question 22, really common one. Will I run out of hot water? Well, this is a really simple one. We discussed in an earlier question about the fact that you're going to need a hot water cylinder in your house. And one of the things we do when we come to talk to you about supplying your house with a heat pump system is we ask you a little bit about how you use your hot water. But I'm going to give you some quite useful bits of information. When you jump in the shower, if you have a normal shower, it uses about 10 litres of water a minute. So if you have a 5-minute shower, you're going to use something of the order of 50 litres of water. So if you were to come to me and say, I have 4 kids, each of them are in the shower for 10 minutes at a time, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to work out that you're going to burn through quite a lot of water. So what we would do is take that information on board and say, we're going to supply you with a hot water cylinder big enough for the needs of you. Sometimes this catches us out a little bit. So we often go to houses which are very large, maybe a 5 or 6 bedroom house, but it's only got 2 people living in it. And people often say to us, well, can I have a hot water cylinder big enough for just the 2 of us? It's your house, you can have anything you like. However, something to think about is this: if I put a dinky little hot water cylinder in your house just because there's the 2 of you, when you come to sell the house, the cylinder isn't going to be big enough for the people who are going to buy it going forward. So just bear that in mind. There are rules that we use for MCS, very simple. We allow you 50 litres of water per person who lives in the house per day, and that gives us a guideline. But remember, it's your house, you can have anything you like.